Did you know there's a forest that grows faster than almost anything on land? A place teeming with thousands of species, but it's not on any continent? Welcome to the incredible world of the kelp forest, the true rainforest of the sea. Most people think of kelp as a simple seaweed, but it's so much more. First, let's get one thing straight. Kelp isn't a plant. It's actually a type of giant brown algae. Unlike plants, it doesn't have roots to absorb nutrients from the soil. Instead, it has a holdfast that anchors it to the rocky seafloor. And it absorbs all the nutrients it needs directly from the surrounding water. Its blades, which look like leaves, soak up sunlight for photosynthesis, just like a plant. But what truly sets kelp apart is its mind-blowing growth rate. Under ideal conditions, giant kelp can grow up to 1.5 feet, about half a meter in a single day. This rapid growth allows it to form dense, towering underwater forests that can stretch for miles along coastlines. These forests create a complex three-dimensional habitat, providing food and shelter for an astonishing diversity of marine life. From tiny invertebrates hiding in the holdfasts, to fish swimming through the canopy, and even sea lions and seals weaving through the stalks. The kelp forest is a bustling metropolis. Beyond its importance as a habitat, the kelp forest is a powerful ally in our fight against climate change. Just like trees on land, kelp captures carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis. But because it grows so fast and covers such vast areas, the amount of carbon it sequesters is enormous. We're talking millions of tons of CO2 pulled from the atmosphere and stored in its biomass. When parts of the kelp break off, they often sink to the deep ocean, effectively locking that carbon away for centuries. This makes kelp forests one of the most efficient carbon sinks on the planet. However, this vital ecosystem is incredibly delicate and faces serious threats. The health of a kelp forest often depends on a fascinating and crucial relationship between two animals: the sea otter and the sea urchin. Sea urchins absolutely love to eat kelp. If their population goes unchecked, they can mow down an entire forest in a short time. It's creating what's called an urchin barren, a desolate underwater wasteland. This is where the sea otter comes in. Sea otters are a keystone species, meaning their presence has a disproportionately large effect on their environment, and one of their favorite foods. Sea urchins. By preying on sea urchins, otters keep their numbers in check, protecting the kelp forest from being overgrazed. It's a perfect example of nature's balancing act. When otter populations decline, urchin populations explode, and the kelp forests vanish. Unfortunately, human activities are tipping this delicate balance. Marine heat waves driven by climate change can stress the kelp, making it more vulnerable and slowing its growth. Overfishing of the predators that eat sea urchins has also allowed urchin populations to boom in areas where otters are absent. This combination of stressors is causing kelp forests to disappear at an alarming rate in many parts of the world, from California to Tasmania. The loss of these underwater forests is a devastating blow. It means the loss of critical habitat for countless species, the collapse of local fisheries that depend on them, and the weakening of one of our best natural defenses against climate change. Protecting and restoring our kelp forests is not just about saving a beautiful underwater world. It's about safeguarding the health of our entire planet. Scientists and conservation groups are working on solutions. From reintroducing sea otters to actively planting new kelp and even breeding more heat-resistant strains. So the next time you think of a forest, remember the vast, dynamic, and incredibly important forests hidden just beneath the waves. They are a testament to the power and fragility of our oceans. Thanks for diving deep with us today. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more explorations into our amazing natural world. See you next time.